Hello friends, welcome to you all at Beginners Linux MSSL Guide. Today I'm going to cover the sorting and filter part of Excel. So let's start with the video. So this is a sheet I'm going to do. So first thing, what is sorting and filter? So in Excel, you can sort data alphabetically, numerically, or by date, and filter data to display only the rows that meet specific criteria using the sort filter tools in the data tab. Alright, so let's start with it. So first I'll activate the filter. I'm writing it for you. That is Alt plus D plus F, then plus F. So if you press these buttons together by holding Alt, so it will activate your filter. So you have to come here first, any of the cell you have to click, then Alt D F F. If you do, you can see this button has come up. So that's how filter can be activated, and the same way you can deactivate it. So again Alt D, deactivate, right? So Alt D, activated. So now I'm going to sort this one, this column I'm going to sort. So for that I'll come here and first I'll do this with A to Z. Click here. So it's already been sorted with alphabetical order like C, A, B, C. So C will come first, then M will come next. So if I do in reverse manner, which is Z to A, so M will be first, then CLO, you can see, will be the next. Now I'm going to do with color code. So for that I'll come here, then sort by color and click here. If I do that, you can see there is no more alphabetical order is getting maintained, only the color code has been sorted like this, right? So that's how you can do. Now I'm going for the advanced level. So for that I'm going here, then sort by color and then custom sort. If I do that, you can see another tab has been opened, and then I'm first column you can see as product code. It has been sorted with cell color and with color code, and it is on top. Now next I'll be adding one level. I'm selecting here only product, which is the next column, and it will be doing with cell values, and I'll make it with Z to A and click OK. If you can see, now here it is not been maintained with alphabetically because I have done with the color code only, so it has been maintained. But here you can see it has been maintained in reverse manner from Z to A, that is W will come first, then T, like that it will come down to A. So like that it has been sorted. Now I'm going for the filter part. So come here, I don't want to see all the records, deselect that, and I only want to see south and west. Click OK. So you'll select that and you will see only west and south record over here. Now I come here, I want to see the sale has happened in this two region with only 75,000 and more. So I'll come here, number filter, I'll come here greater than, I'll write 75,000 and click OK. So this filter has been applied here also. So once this is done, now I want to see not only west and south region, I want to see say east, north and west. Okay, so that's how 75,000 cell has happened, which regions it is showing here. And now I want to see, I'm removing this MOV and I keeping CLO, or you can write CLO, whatever. Click OK, it will show you only the CLO part. So that's how you can do with the filter. So that's all folks for today. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. New videos are coming into your way. Thank you so much.